You give me your blood, I will give you freedom. This slogan raised the momentum of the heartbeat of millions of revolutionaries who are seeking freedom. Even today, this slogan reminds us of the great personality Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. The list of freedom fighters of India is deserted without the name of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Even though each one of them was equally important, he possessed a unique personality. Whatever he did for the country cannot be paid off. He was such a great patriot in the true sense.
Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack, Orissa, India. His mother's name was Prabhavati Devi. His father, Janagirath Bose, was an advocate. In the course of struggle for freedom, Subhash Chandra Bose formed Azad Hind Force and led the Indian National Army. He advocated a revolutionary and violent way to protest as opposed to non-violent approach by Mahatma Gandhi. He separated from Indian National Congress (INC) and founded his own party, All India Forward Bloc. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was one of the most prominent leaders of the Indian independence movement. He spread the feeling of national integration, sacrifice and communal harmony among the masses. Subhash Chandra Bose Jayanti is celebrated on 23rd January every year across the country. His Jayanti district administration and the local civic body also observe Subhash Chandra Bose Jayanti. Many NGOs organize blood donation camps on this day. The school organizes various activities as exhibition, quiz and cultural programs. His birthday is also celebrated as Desh Prem Divas.
Now we are going to ask some questions.
Where was Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose born?
The correct answer is Cuttack, Orissa.
What is the full form of INA?
The correct answer is Indian Nation Army.
Which is the old party founded by Netaji?
The correct answer is All India Forward Bloc.
In which year was Subhash Chandra Bose born?
1893. The correct answer is 1897.
Netaji's birthday is also celebrated as.
The correct answer is Desh Prem Divas.
Thank you
And have a nice day.